And guys, what's going on here? Forge here, back with another Yu-Gi-Oh! Video, where today we are on day 2 of the Christmas special, and day 2 of the Christmas special is Blizzards, or the Blizzard deck on Yu-Gi-Oh! Link Evolution. So as you can see, where is it? Right here. Right. This is our Blizzard deck. We got Aurora Wing, Blizzard Falcon, Blizzard Thunderbird, just a bunch of lovely, lovely stuff. We even have this thing in here. I don't even know why we have it in there, but we have it. So let's get started. Let's see. Hey Siri, pick a number between 0 and 7.
A random number between 0 and 100 is 41.
I didn't say 0 and 100. Pick a number between 0 and 7.
It's 5.
5, alright. Aw, we can't do a reverse duel on here. That's boring. Oh well. Now, there is someone in my dueling group that I'm a part of who wants my variant deck. So I'm gonna... so, if you saw a block over that, that's why. Alright, let's see. Warrior Digrapher. I've never seen that card before. Alright, first we're going to activate Forbidden Dress. And it just takes away 600 attack points from my opponent's monster. You can special summon this card from your hand to your opponent's field in attack position. If your opponent can special summon this, if your opponent controls a Kaiju monster. Alright, so on our Ragna Zero, how many attack points does it have? 2,400. We'll be fine. Alright, to get things started, I'm going to tribute my opponent's own monster to summon Game Seal, the Sea Turtle Kaiju. Next, I'm summoning Shaktabus. And next, I special summon Silent Angler. I set 2 cards face down. I exceed summon number 103, Ragna Zero. Alright, let's battle. Attack! I end my turn. So now, I don't even know why I did that. I could have just done more damage, but oh well. It's fun destroying a kaiju once in a while. I hardly ever get to destroy a kaiju. Send 1 card from your hand or field to the graveyard, draw 1 card. Oh yeah, I'll activate my trap. I discard Siren Orca. And I get Silent Angler. Alright. Alright. Ragna Zero, attack. Axe Raider. I haven't battled them in a while. Let's see, what do we have to... Alright, let's activate the trap again. And we get another Shocktopus. Okay, doing this, I'm hoping to get a rank up magic so I can summon Chaos number 103. I don't think we're gonna do anything. Actually, no, we are gonna do one thing. We're gonna summon Shocktopus. So we can deal a total of 4,000 damage. No, I don't want to. I want to activate you. If I want to activate you, I would have said no 3,000 times. I hate it when games are repetitive in asking you if you want to do something. It's like, are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. So, I was doing some thinking today of future series I could do, which would kind of take up a lot of the recording, a lot of my my private recording schedule that I just use to surprise you all. During specials like the Christmas special, the normal recording schedule that I have is overridden with the Christmas special. So that is the only thing that gets uploaded that day. Alright, I activate Rank Up Magic Variance Force. Go, Chaos Xyz Evolution. Appear, Chaos number 103, Ragnafinity. Alright. I special summon Silent Angler. I Xyz summon another number 103, Ragnazero. Alright. Ragnazero and Ragnafinity, attack! What is that? When an opponent's monster... Ow! You just sent it away too, you little jerk. Sledgehammer, I'm gonna get you for that. Just bringing back their monster. I'm summoning another monster. Why do you have so many monsters? I cannot get through them all fast enough. At this rate, I'll deck him out. Alright. I attack. No! I don't want to activate it! Yeah! I don't want to activate any effects. One. Oh, just one. I summon Blizzard Thunderbird. Crystal Zero, Ragnar Infinity, attack. I hate this guy. Alright, we're just gonna do that. I should have done that on my next turn. Oh, cool. I saved my monster. I totally did not know I was going to save my monster, but I will take it. Man, I hate Battle Guard Rage. Urgh. Or wait, well, hold on. What was that trap he got? He got Ragnar Infinity with. I activate Dark Factory, sending away Thunderbird to get another Thunderbird. Oh, I love it. I summon Thunderbird. Attack. Alright, finally he has no more traps on his field that he cannot activate, I mean. I have a feeling that that monster would be 1600 defense points as well, so I was just gonna skip attacking it. Oh, he's gonna battle my Thunderbird again. Alright, I'll just send it to the graveyard again. I summon Blizzard Falcon. I activate Dark Factory and send that card to the graveyard and activate Pot of Greed to draw 2 new cards. Alright, 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 alright. I'm gonna activate Goes in Match. I'm gonna say he can only use Earth monsters. Which I feel like his entire deck is Earth monsters. Alright. It's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. I summon Aurora Wing. I activate Goes in Match. I overlay Aurora Wing and Blizzard Falcon. I exceed summon Ice Beast Zero Fine. I like the look of Ice Beast Zero Fine. I don't know why, I just do. Ice Beast Zero Fine, attack! Icicle Storm! Ragnar Zero, finish him! Yusho Sakaki had vanished 3 years ago, and now his son is suddenly using a radical new method of summoning. Prepare a background report on this kid. Whoa. Any facts that may relate to pendulum summoning, no matter how small, should be reported to me immediately. Let's go make Jack mad. Where is he? There he is. Jack! Oh, Jack! Oh no, this is not a really good hand. It's a very good hand. Alright. I think I might be able to work with this hand a little bit though. I activate Harpy's Feather Duster and Forbidden Dress. Say goodbye to 600 attack points. I summon Double Fin Shark. That's a Forbidden Dress, didn't do much. I activate Compulsory Evacuation Device. Medium Piece of Golem just came back anyways. What? Why can I not? What? Oh, target one face up special summoned monster. This is not good. He's gonna synchro. Oh no, he's not. I mean, this deck has power, it just doesn't have enough power. That's the thing. Red Dragon Archfiend. Yo, Jack, this is Christmas, not Halloween. Get that the demonic dragon out of here. I activate Lost Wind. Now its dragon's attack points are cut in half, and its effects negated. Oh, it's permanent too. I like that. I'm hanging on for dear life. I activate Compulsory Evacuation Device. Bye bye, Red Dragon Archfiend. Oh, Creation Resonator. Okay. Oh, he's just gonna. He's just gonna attack for only 800 points. Activate Pot of Greed. I summon Shocktopus and Silent Angler. I Xyz summon number 103, Ragna Zero. Ragna Zero, attack! Oh. Ouch. Well, we lose. Oh, he doesn't want to risk it. I summon Blizzard Thunderbird. I have a feeling he's going to use that tuner for something, so I'm going to get rid of it. Uh-oh, here it comes. Big piece Golem. I summon Double Fin Shark. I Xyz summon number 103, Ragna Zero. Come on, Ragna Zero, you've never failed me once yet. And I will not start today, I hope. Ragna Zero, attack Big Piece Golem. I end my turn. I activate Rank Up Magic Numeron's Force. Chaos Xyz Evolution. Appear Chaos number 103, Ragnafinity. Ragnafinity. Attack! Oh, small piece Golem. Alright, I set a card. I summon Blizzard Thunderbird. Blizzard Thunderbird, attack! Attack, Ragnafinity! I end my turn. I summon Silent Angler. I summon Siren Orca. Siren Orca's effect activates. I change them all to level 5. I can just normally Xyz summon Chaos number 103, but I wouldn't get its effect down here. So let's instead... Who should we summon? Alright, I know who I'm gonna summon. I overlay my 2 monsters and Xyz summon number 94. Crystal Zero. I've never summoned this card before. It's rare to get these other like rank 5s. Siren Orca, attack the face down. Crystal Zero, attack. Attack, Ragnafinity. No, I don't want to activate anything. Gosh. If I wanted to activate it, I would have. But since I said no, I don't want to activate it. You don't have to ask me every single phase, game. Oh, that's so annoying sometimes. What? Okay. He's just. I guess he doesn't have a tuner. Yep. I activate Dark Factory of more production and send away Shocktopus. Crystal Zero, attack! Vice Dragon. Ragnafinity, finish him! I win. Alright, now we have just about ran out of time in this video. If you guys did enjoy it, hit the like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when future videos go live. And you can also hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when, wait, did I say that? I can't remember if I said that. I guess my outro is just becoming habit now that I'm not remembering anything in my intro. But hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when future videos go live, and so you can stay updated on our Christmas special. And I did make a post about Sky Ethereum's Christmas special last night, but I'm gonna make that private if I haven't seen his promotion for our Christmas special yet. So yeah, that's what's going on, and I'll see you all in the next one. And this is Forge signing out. See you later.